Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know you have a faulty blower motor resistor and it's time to change it? The blower motor resistor is part of your vehicle HVAC system and its main purpose is to control the blower motor fan speed. The blower motor resistor is usually found right next to the blower motor and is usually located right behind the dashboard, underneath the dashboard on the passenger side, and sometimes it can be found right behind the glove box or underneath the glove box area. The blower motor resistor common spot is going to be located right behind the glove box. On some vehicles, due to poor design, sometimes you have to remove the whole entire dashboard just to get to the blower motor resistor. The first common sign that you know it is time to change that blower motor resistor is going to be the fan is stuck at one speed. For example, the fan could be stuck at low, medium, or high speed. If you notice that the fan speed is only stuck at one speed and you try to change the fan speed from low, medium, or high, and you notice that it already has one fan speed, there's a high chance that blower motor resistor is faulty and it's time to change it. The second sign that you know that it's time to change that blower motor resistor is going to be inconsistent fan speed. For example, if you notice that your fan speed is extremely inconsistent, again, there's a good chance that blower motor resistor may be the issue. The next sign that you know that it's time to change that blower motor resistor is going to be there is no response coming from the blower motor. For example, if you notice that when you turn your climate control from low, medium, high, and you feel no air coming out of the vent, there's a good chance that blower motor resistor might be the problem. However, if you have no response coming from the blower motor, it is possible that the blower motor might be the issue. You might have a problem with your climate control. You might have connection and wire issue. You may also have blown fuse and bad relays. The quickest and fastest way to check if you have a bad blower motor and not a bad blower motor resistor is to give power to the blower motor. If you give power to the blower motor and you notice that the fan is working, then the blower motor is not the issue. And again, you might have a blower motor resistor issue and possibly a bad climate control as well. Another way to test the blower motor is to check for continuity. If continuity is more than half an ohm, then you know the blower motor is faulty and it is not the blower motor resistor that's causing the issue. Next, you want to make sure that it's not climate control that is causing the issue. For example, here I'm turning on the climate control, checking the low, medium, and high setting, and make sure that the fan is blowing consistently. On the bottom right, you'll notice the AC and the recirculation light is blinking, and I suspect that the climate control might be causing the issue. So every time you have an issue, for example, the fan is blowing inconsistently, or let's just say it's stuck at one setting, it is important to check everything. You have to check climate control, you have to check the blower motor resistor, you have to check the blower motor, and also you want to make sure the fuse and relays are not bad, and you also want to check wiring and connections as well. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.